Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Elden Ring Nightreign crashing to desktop. Is Elden Ring Shadow of the Edge Tree Nightreign crashing to desktop without warning? Here are 5 quick steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Crashes often come from outdated drivers. Go to NVIDIA or AMD's official site, download and install the latest version for your GPU, then restart your PC. Step 2. Verify game files. Open Steam, right-click Elden Ring Properties, go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This replaces any missing or corrupted files. Step 3. Disable overlays. Steam, Discord, and GeForce overlays can cause conflicts. Turn them off temporarily to see if stability improves. Step 4. Lower in-game graphics setting. Go to Settings, Graphics, reduce resolution, disable ray tracing, and try switching from full screen to windowed mode. Step 5. Reinstall or update DirectX and Visual C++. Sometimes system libraries are the problem. Reinstall DirectX and the latest Visual C++ distributables from Microsoft's official sites. One of these should fix the crashing issue for good. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video.